in terms of controlling the flow of water, which was sufficient for many, many years. It turns out now it's no longer sufficient. We have to come up with new strategies, and that's what we discussed today. Once again, I explained, especially to the local government, Nina here, and the other members of those who are in the meeting, about what our strategies can be in terms of making sure that the water does not come into the low-lying areas anymore by building the impounding projects upstream. So, as a response, maayos naman ang response natin. Inaalala ko lang talaga dahil kung kagaya nangyari sa Carina na naubos lahat ng supply namin ng mga lahat ng namin na binibigay natin as a relief response. May parating na naman na baka mag-bagyo. Kaya kailangan natin tignan na mabuti kung ano yung ginagawa natin and make sure that we have sufficient supplies for everyone. Kung mangyari talaga yun, na may dumating pang bagong bagyo pagkatapos itong entry, handa naman tayo na meron tayong sapat na-supply para naman makatulong tayo at magkaroon natin ang tulong ang mga nalaan na naging biktima ng bagyo. So that's the state of play at the moment. We will just keep responding, but at the same time, we are not only sending relief goods, we are very, very busy planning the large-scale, long-term plan. Although we already have it, we still have to. It's an old plan, and it was relevant for maybe 5, 6, even more, maybe 10 years ago. Nagbago na rin yung weather, so we have to revise it to make sure that it is addressing challenges that the new weather is bringing. And it's become very difficult for PAGASA, for our scientists to forecast this very changeable weather that we have, that has not been seen before in human history. It's that big a change. So, yun ang ating